to this week's edition of Play CCN, which is sponsored by Temperzone. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi, editor of Climate Control News. Macquarie Data Centres has signed a multi-year deal with Reset Data, which will see immersion cooling technology available in Australia. Compared with traditional water and air cooling technologies, immersion cooling can reduce CO2 emissions by 45% and create zero waste water. It also reduces the physical footprint by as much as 90%, and the heat generated by the infrastructure can be recycled. The ARBS Exhibition is almost here once again, and there will be plenty of product announcements at this year's show, with some of the biggest manufacturers planning product releases for the local market. There's also a long list of impressive speakers lined up for the seminar program, and right now I'm currently putting together a 100-page ARBS preview, which will feature all the highlights from the show. It will be available, so drop by the CCN stand and pick up a copy. And while I'm there, I'll be doing daily updates on the website, posting video, uploading video, and doing plenty of social media updates to keep everyone informed. So I look forward to seeing everyone at the exhibition. Toshiba's annual shareholders meeting this week descended into chaos. Shareholders voted in 2 board directors from activist hedge fund investors. The new board chair is an investment banker. I mean, all these moves are they're likely to accelerate buyout plans. Toshiba's activist investor base has been the source of a lot of the company's problems. This is due to mistrust between shareholders and Toshiba management. Toshiba is preparing a shortlist of buyout proposals to go private, so that due diligence can begin this month. Okay, Daikin is investing $230 million in a manufacturing facility in Mexico, which will be fully operational in 2024. The strategy is to increase demand for its products in North America, and the Mexico facility will supplement production at Daikin's Technology Park in Texas. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, which were brought to you by Temperzone. Thank you for watching.